Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Today, we're diving into the wildest off-road gadgets you've never seen before, from insane recovery tools to next-level adventure gear. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss it. The future of off-roading starts right here, right now. The STEDI Type X Sport Plus is a next-level driving light designed for off-road enthusiasts and professionals who demand exceptional performance. Built with precision engineering, this light combines power, durability, and style, making it one of the most advanced options in its class. It is crafted to deliver maximum visibility in the darkest environments, ensuring drivers stay safe and confident during their journeys. At the core of the Type X Sport Plus is its high-output LED technology, which provides an impressive beam distance and wide coverage. The optimized reflector system ensures that every lumen is projected effectively, reducing wasted light and delivering crystal-clear illumination. Whether navigating rocky trails, dense forests, or open highways, this light cuts through the darkness with ease. Durability is another standout feature. The IP68 rating guarantees resistance to dust, water, and harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable companion in extreme environments. Its rugged aluminum housing and polycarbonate lens are built to withstand shocks, vibrations, and impacts, ensuring long-lasting performance even under tough conditions. In addition, the STEDI Type X Sport Plus is designed with aesthetic appeal in mind. Sleek and modern, it enhances the look of any vehicle while providing practical functionality. Installation is straightforward, and its versatile design makes it compatible with a wide range of setups. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, robust construction, and stylish design, the STEDI Type X Sport Plus is more than just a driving light. It's a game-changer for anyone who values safety, performance, and reliability on the road or off the beaten path. The TruckClaws 2 Commercial Super Single Kit is a heavy-duty traction aid designed for trucks weighing up to 36 tons, true giants of the road that function more like homes on wheels than standard vehicles. Built for reliability in extreme conditions, these massive steel claws outperform traditional chains, which can often snap under such enormous weight. Instead, the claws dig firmly into almost any surface, delivering the grip needed to break free from mud, ice, snow, or sand. Installation is quick and efficient thanks to powerful ratchets, which ensure a secure fit and stability. Once in place, the claws provide enough traction to get even the heaviest trucks moving smoothly, preventing downtime in critical operations. Made from heat-treated alloy steel, they combine unmatched strength with a degree of flexibility that enhances durability under stress. For convenience, the system is compact and designed for easy storage behind the cab seat, keeping cargo space free for more important loads. Drivers are advised to install the claws at the first sign of slipping, check the tightening, and then continue the journey with confidence. At a price of $380, TruckClaws 2 delivers professional-grade performance, making it the perfect solution for those who believe that size and strength truly matter. Do you want me to also prepare a 150-word condensed promo version for quicker use? The RUDcomfort Click2Go is a groundbreaking invention by German engineers, offering drivers a fast and reliable way to install anti-slip chains. Its design is centered around convenience. Thanks to a pre-installed rim adapter, you simply press, click, and the chain is ready for use. No tools, no hassle, and no wasted time on the roadside in difficult conditions. A key advantage of this system is its zero internal clearance. This is especially important for modern cars, where the gap between the suspension and wheel is minimal. For larger vehicles, the Click2Go V version features reinforced plates and a protective guard, making it ideal for heavy crossovers and electric vehicles with bulky battery packs. The innovation continues with its patented damping and adjustment system built into high-quality plastic components. This allows the chain to adapt to tire deformation while accommodating different tire sizes with ease. Universal adapters are offered in 4 sizes, with special T adapters for Tesla owners, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Adding to its appeal, the product comes in eco-friendly packaging made from recycled plastic, highlighting RUD's commitment to sustainability. With Click2Go, safety, simplicity, and innovation come together in a single click. The Smitty-built X20 Gen 3 is a powerful, IP68 certified winch designed to deliver unmatched performance, even underwater. Built with durability and innovation, it features a 7-horsepower sealed motor paired with forged gears, providing an impressive 5.5-ton pulling capacity. Its 3-stage planetary gear reducer with a 216:1 ratio ensures the perfect combination of pulling speed and strength, making it reliable in extreme off-road conditions. A 500-amp waterproof controller adds flexibility, allowing installation anywhere, including inside the vehicle for maximum protection. The winch also comes with an upgraded wireless remote, which can connect via USB or through a 3-meter cable, offering versatile control options. The synthetic rope, 9.5 millimeters thick and 30 meters long, is paired with an aluminum hawse fairlead for smooth operation. For safety and reliability, an automatic brake is mounted outside the drum, while the sliding gear system ensures fast and efficient spooling. Weighing 34.5 kilograms, the X2O Gen 3 is both rugged and practical. Smittybilt backs it with a 5-year electrical warranty and a lifetime mechanical warranty, giving users confidence in its long-term reliability. Priced at $1,000, the Kimpex COMMANDER HD4 is a Canadian-made track system built for extreme performance where wheels fail. With the ability to carry 1,800 kilograms, about the weight of 2 smart cars, it's designed for serious off-road challenges. The system features axle bearings 4 times stronger than rivals, plus guard teeth 46% taller and 79% wider for unmatched durability. Its 1.8 mm² contact area ensures better traction and stability on difficult terrain, while triple lip seals with grease ports allow it to handle swamps and mud for hours without damage. Even high-pressure washing won't compromise its integrity, something rare in heavy-duty track systems. The front tracks weigh 58 kilograms and the rear 85 kilograms, but their strength means you can go places where standard vehicles get stuck. Kimpex also offers a 3-year warranty, surpassing even German competitors. Like Clarkson said of tanks, they may be tough and noisy, but they'll get you anywhere. The Tread GT leveling ramps are designed to make parking caravans and RVs on uneven ground simple and safe. They provide up to 115 millimeters of lift, ensuring stability while maintaining impressive strength. Thanks to anti-slip plates, the ramps stay firmly in place and won't sink into soft or muddy surfaces. A clever tread link system connects all the components into one compact module, preventing loose parts from cluttering your storage. Built-in drainage holes allow water to flow through easily, protecting the ramps from puddles and corrosion over time. The set includes 2 ramps, 307 to 248 millimeters, 2 lightweight stops, 335 grams each, and 4 anti-slip plates, 275 grams each. With a total weight of just 5 kilograms, the system is portable yet capable of supporting heavy multi-ton vehicles. Suitable for everything from compact RVs to large trailers, it's a versatile and reliable solution for travelers. The SEAS Pro Recovery Damper from Australia is a well-engineered safety device designed to make vehicle recoveries much safer. Unlike a simple rag thrown over a cable, this system features a dual-sided design with tough black polyester for strength and bright orange PVC for high visibility. To further improve safety in low-light conditions, reflective strips make it easy to spot in headlights at night. Its adjustable buckles and reinforced straps allow it to stay securely attached to recovery cables of any diameter. For added effectiveness, the damper includes heavy-duty pockets that can be filled with sand or dirt, increasing its weight and ensuring that, if a cable snaps, the force is directed downward instead of toward the vehicle's windshield. The SEAS Pro is compatible with all types of recovery lines, including snatch straps, kinetic ropes, and winch cables, making it a versatile tool for off-road enthusiasts. Built to withstand Australia's harsh conditions, where snakes, spiders, and snapped cables can all pose risks, it's both practical and reliable. Priced at just $49, this damper offers an affordable yet highly effective way to enhance safety during recoveries. The Maxtrax Moto board is a groundbreaking solution designed specifically for motorcyclists who love tackling remote and rugged terrains. While the company's lightweight tracks work well for smaller vehicles, this system caters directly to enduro riders. It combines foldable recovery rails, a 2-liter water tank, and a stabilizer plate for the kickstand, all in one compact, multi-purpose device. The Moto board mounts seamlessly to the pannier racks of any enduro bike, ensuring it's always ready when riders need it most. It even includes lock points for an anti-theft chain, adding an extra layer of security for those traveling in remote or unfamiliar areas. Durability is a priority in its design. The stand plate is made from a mineral-filled nylon blend, while the wheels use glass-filled nylon, available in the brand's iconic orange and titanium colors. For strength against the harshest conditions, the fasteners are crafted from GR316 marine-grade stainless steel. Priced at $480, the Maxtrax Moto board isn't just a recovery tool. It's peace of mind for riders venturing into areas where help may be far away. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it ensures reliability on every adventure. The Scott WFS goggles are designed to tackle one of motocross riders' biggest challenges: mud and dirt blocking vision. Equipped with the advanced WFS 50 roll-off system and a transparent anti-stick mesh, these goggles ensure a clear field of view even in the messiest, mud-filled rides. The cleaning system's containers snap directly into the works mounts without tools, allowing quick setup in just seconds, even while wearing gloves. Riders can seamlessly switch between roll-off and tear-off systems, making it incredibly versatile for different track conditions. Comfort is a priority too, with a 3-layer foam that molds to the rider's face for a snug fit and a silicone strap that keeps the goggles firmly in place. For safety and performance, the no-fog lens delivers crystal clear vision and provides 100% UV protection, Category S0. Compatible with medium and large helmets, these goggles balance innovation, comfort, and protection. Priced at $140, the Scott WFS goggles are a premium choice for motocross riders who want reliable visibility, durability, and performance on the track. The Maxtrax Lite is a lightweight innovation from Australian experts, designed to make vehicle recovery easier and more efficient. Compared to the brand's legendary Sandtrax, the Lite version is 48% lighter, with each track weighing just 1.8 kilograms. Despite being compact at 895 millimeters long, about 22% shorter than the full-size Extreme tracks, they still pack impressive strength and performance. Equipped with aggressive teeth, the tracks grip firmly onto tires, helping vehicles escape from sand, mud, or bogs with ease. The patented double ramp design works from both ends, while the built-in shovels allow drivers to dig their vehicles free when stuck. For durability, the tracks are made from impact-resistant thermoplastic, offering a reliable balance of strength and lighter weight compared to the traditional nylon models. They also feature 4 ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip and easier handling. To ensure convenience, the Maxtrax Lite can be stacked neatly and comes with mounting pinholes for secure fastening during transport. Priced at $160, these tracks are a practical, portable, and powerful solution for off-road adventurers who want maximum recovery capability without the extra weight.